Do you want to import assets from a collaboratively shared world into your own world for personal use? It is very easy to do. In your personal space, start by clicking on the Create tab icon. Then select New World. Choose a blank world and name it. When naming your world, I would suggest the name of their world plus the words My Copy. When you are done, click Create, and you will automatically be transported into that new world. While in the preview mode of your newly created world, click the left controller's hamburger button and again select the Create tab. If you have not yet accepted the collaboration invite, go ahead and do that now. Then click on the information icon of the shared world. In this menu, click on the three-dot icon and select Import World. All of the assets of the shared world will then be imported for you into this, your personally created world. You are now free to edit this world all you like without worrying about accidentally making changes to the original shared world.
Hey guys, thank you to Sensei Jay for this amazing tutorial. Couple quick notes I wanted to add here. First of all, please note that when you import a world, it's going to import the published version of that world. When you import an asset into your world, there is no way to undo. So if you go to this website here, you can then revert your world back to a previous state if you need to. But please just make sure when you're importing, it's best to import into empty world like Sensei Jay had suggested. Also be cautious because it can raise your capacity over 100%. You could get overlapping assets, so consider adding like a flag to the object where it's located. So when you import it from your empty world that you created, then it has a locator so you know where it's at. And consider moving it up in the sky. So if you know your world's built at the ground level, just go ahead and bring that object up into the sky so it's up in the air when you import it. When you're importing an animated asset, sometimes it'll break and you'll have to open up the properties panel, click on the zoom in icon, and then you can immediately hit zoom out, and usually that will fix any broken objects that when you import it with it, whether it's a script or it's just simply animated. So good luck, hopefully that helps, and back to you, Jay.
I'm Sensei Jay for the Vidyuu Tutorials YouTube channel, and that is how you import assets from a collaboratively shared world into your own world for personal use. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it. Also, if you know anyone who might want to learn this technique, consider sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell icon for notifications. New tutorials come out all the time. Thanks for watching.